Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a digital planner in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to stay organized digitally? Using a digital planner in Goodnotes can completely change how you manage your time. And here's how to use one effectively. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You're just gonna find it here and then you're gonna click on install, and once the installation is complete you're gonna open the application and make sure you log in with your Google account. Once you log in, you're gonna open your digital planner or import it from the import scene right here. You're gonna click on new. You're gonna find the import option in the new like drop down menu. You're gonna click on it and then import the planner, for example, or you can create a new one by the template of a planner. Once you import it, you're gonna make sure to navigate through the pages like daily, weekly, or monthly views and use the pen tool to write tasks. For example, to-do list. You're gonna write a to-do list and then you're gonna set the goals and the reminders and switch between sections using tabs or hyperlinks if available. Also update your planner regularly to stay on track. And check your planner daily and keep entries clear and simple. Also use the color to organize the tasks. Now a digital planner helps you stay organized and productive. Use it consistently and you'll see a big improvement. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.